Hi, friends and family. Today we are making one of my favorite snacks. Something I discovered, I don't know, about a month or so ago. And something really simple, but something really delicious is I take white chocolate, melt it, and we are going to put it on pretzels. So to get started, you're going to, what I got is, now I got this from our local Walmart. I think you can get it at the grocery stores. It's called Almond Bark Vanilla, and it melts and goes on anything that you would coat, chocolate coating candy and things in. So this is, so the whole bag is 24 ounces, and I broke it in half, and we're going to melt half of it. What you want to do is you want to start out at 1 minute and then take your fork, melt it, and then just do it at 30-second intervals from there. So let's go ahead and melt our chocolate, and then we'll be right back. Okay, that's all nice and melted. And we did our half of the bag of the almond bark. I'm going to put in about 3/4 of this bag of pretzels. Now, you can either use a fork, which I've done before, or you can use a spatula and just gently move them around in there in the melted chocolate. Just keep doing that all until it gets all good and coated. And remember, all that chocolate's on the bottom of the bowl, so you want to get just going under and around, and so every bit of it is coated. You also want to get a parchment-lined baking sheet. We're going to put that on here as soon as we get it all coated. So excited. This is so good. If you wanted to, and I've done it before, you can blitz up like some walnuts or any kind of dried nuts and use it like a dust to sprinkle over the pretzels when we get them on the baking sheet here. Okay, I believe these are all good and coated. Double check here. Yeah, okay, so when they are, you want to bring in your baking sheet. We're going to dump them right on there. The bowl's still a little hot, so I usually use a separate bowl. Maybe I should have. Okay, go ahead and spread that out all over the baking sheet. Spread it out from corner to corner. Now, if you want to take time to take your fork and try to get them all in a single line or a single file, you can do that. I've done that before, but what I've been doing normally now is just trying to get them into a single layer here as best I can. Go ahead and put them in the refrigerator for about a half an hour, and when they're all good and cooled and kind of not frozen but stuck together good, then you can break them apart, and then just eat them like that. So what we're going to do now is we're going to put this in the refrigerator, and we'll be back as soon as they're done. Okay, so it's been a half an hour. Our pretzels are done. I'm so excited. I have them sitting in the refrigerator. See, they're all good and set together like this. So now what I do is I take a big Ziploc bag, and it will make kind of a mess, but I'll get it cleaned up. Anyway, you can just break them down to put them in here. That's what I do. Of course, you gotta see, you can break them apart. See how happy my face is? That is because I love this stuff. This is a happy face. You guys have got to try this. And of course, my microphone died, so I apologize. There's no audio for the last minute. All I'm saying here is you can break them apart, put them in a Ziploc bag. So very good. I hope you guys give this a try. If you're enjoying the channel, please give a like, subscribe, and share. Also, I don't know why my voice sounds so weird on a voiceover. LOL.